carrot, and blitz, onion, or a bunch of small onions, and blitz, baby Bella mushrooms, and blitz, oh, and olives, drained, and blitz. Mmm. We also need some garlic, Italian seasoning, MSG, and ricotta, and stir. Mmm. Looks good. Quick spray down just to be safe. Nudes. Mix. Crushed tomatoes. Mozzarella. Cover, oh, damn it. Cover with an overabundance of foil, since you drop on the floor. All right, go to 300. Ugh, 1 hour. Don't forget to pull off the foil. Come on, you cheap foil. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Ah. Okay, I'm a firm believer that lasagna tastes better after sitting in the fridge for a while. Ah, come on, stupid dirty plates. While I have this lasagna, I can do a post-cooking rundown survey. So some items of note. First off, it's not lasagna. It's a lasagna casserole, but this could very easily turn into lasagna. In fact, it was originally a lasagna. If you spent more time layering down the flat noodles and then mix without the ricotta mixed in, and then flat noodles, and then ricotta, and then, I don't know, tomatoes, you guess and check. Notes on the ingredients. So the pasta that's used, you do need something that has some shape to it. Bow tie pasta, it lays flat and it can actually kind of turn into a block on the bottom. But otherwise, almost everything works well. If anything, these actually might have been a little bit too aggressive. It was hard to get everything into the pan. When it comes to the ingredients, I provided a relatively neutral palette. The mushrooms are providing the bulk of the umami. The baby Bellas really do provide a lot more flavor than just regular white mushrooms. The black olives also provide a lot of umami flavor. And then MSG, of course. I have in the past added other ingredients such as eggplant, chickpeas, pretty much anything I have in the garden. So parsnips, I've done leeks instead of onions, and fresh tomatoes, of course, are delicious. But pretty much since you're using the food processor, everything's going to get blended through. The crushed tomatoes, go watch somebody else's video on the correct crushed tomatoes, but it's worth money. And then mozzarella on top. Not that it's the shredded stuff, because I'm lazy. I probably should have baked it in the oven a little bit longer to get, or at a hotter temperature to get some browning, but it's still delicious. And that's it. Enjoy. Very easy and yet lasagna-esque food.